Let's set up a quick screener to catch strong earnings names. First, in categories, I'll go with EPS/sales growth, because this shows us which companies are actually growing their profits. I'm tracking EPS surprise and EPS growth, two key drivers of momentum after earnings. Then in the column set, I'll add ticker, name, RT last price, RT price %, EPS surprise cent, and power day trend. These give me a mix of valuation, size, and earnings momentum. Next step, filters. I'll add EPS growth, min 500%, so we only keep companies showing double-digit earnings growth compared to last year. And here's the result, a list of stocks with solid earnings growth, some with big surprises on their latest reports. This is a quick way to narrow down the universe and spot potential momentum plays that could keep running after strong earnings.